Welcome to our exploration of ISO 19650 Part 1, a standard that guides the organization and digitization of information in building and civil engineering projects. This video will explain its purpose, scope, and application within organizations. ISO 19650 Part 1 focuses on information management using Building Information Modeling, BIM. It provides a framework for managing information, including exchanging, recording, versioning, and organizing throughout the life cycle of built assets. The standard is intended for those involved in procurement, design, construction, and asset management activities. It applies to all stages, from strategic planning to end of life, and is suitable for projects of any scale and complexity. ISO 19650 Part 1 outlines principles for asset and project information management, emphasizing collaborative working. It defines information requirements and models, ensuring that all stakeholders have access to accurate and timely information. Key steps in applying ISO 19650 Part 1 include understanding the standard, establishing information requirements, and appointing an information manager. These steps ensure effective information management throughout the asset's lifecycle. Developing a BIM execution plan, BEP, is crucial. The BEP outlines roles, responsibilities, and processes for BIM implementation, ensuring conformity with ISO 19650 Part 1 and facilitating efficient information exchange among stakeholders. A Common Data Environment, CDE, serves as a central repository for project information. It supports collaborative working by providing stakeholders with access to the most current and accurate information, enhancing project efficiency. Implementing information management processes is essential. These processes cover the creation, validation, approval, storage, and sharing of information, aligning with ISO 19650 Part 1 requirements to ensure consistency and quality. BIM authoring tools are vital for creating and managing digital representations of built assets. These tools should support open standards and interoperability, facilitating seamless information exchange across different platforms. Coordinating information exchange is critical. Establish procedures for exchanging information between stakeholders, defining formats, protocols, and schedules to ensure timely and accurate delivery of information throughout the project. Compliance with standards and protocols is mandatory. Ensure all participants adhere to relevant guidelines for BIM implementation, providing necessary training and support to maintain high standards of information management. Continual monitoring and review of BIM processes help identify areas for improvement. Regular audits and evaluations ensure ongoing conformity with ISO 19650 Part 1, enhancing the effectiveness of information management practices. Preparing for handover is a key step. Ensure all relevant data and information are provided in the right format to support the ongoing operation and maintenance of the built asset, facilitating a smooth transition to the asset owner. By following these steps, organizations can effectively apply BIM concepts and principles in line with ISO 19650 Part 1. This leads to improved collaboration, efficiency, and quality in the delivery and operation of built assets. ISO 19650 Part 1 provides organizations with the necessary guidelines to implement effective information management practices in their projects. In conclusion, ISO 19650 Part 1 offers a comprehensive framework for managing information in building projects. Its application enhances collaboration and efficiency, ensuring high-quality outcomes throughout the asset's lifecycle. Thank you for joining us in exploring ISO 19650 Part 1. We hope this short video has provided valuable insights into its purpose, scope, and application, empowering your organization to achieve excellence in information management.